Don't let a damaged server halt your business. Repair and optimize with Solutek B2B. In the business world, downtime can be costly. A damaged server can disrupt your operations and affect your profitability. At Solutek B2B, we understand the importance of keeping your technology running smoothly. We offer comprehensive server repair services with highly skilled professionals, quality parts, and support across the region. Here's why we're your best choice: expertise and efficiency. Our team of server repair experts has extensive experience diagnosing and resolving issues quickly. From minor faults to critical failures, Solutek B2B ensures your infrastructure is back online as soon as possible, minimizing the impact on your business. High-quality parts. We use only certified, high-quality parts to ensure optimal performance of your servers. The components we replace meet the highest standards, guaranteeing durability and efficiency. Your equipment's operation. Customized maintenance contracts. In addition to repairs, we offer maintenance contracts tailored to your needs. Our contracts include continuous monitoring, regular reviews, and preventive support to minimize the risk of unexpected failures. With Solutek B2B, you can focus on your business while we take care of your technology. Regional and bilingual support. Solutek B2B provides support across the LATAM region, ensuring assistance in your preferred language. Our bilingual team is available to offer technical support in both Spanish and English, facilitating clear and effective communication. A community of professionals at your service. We are a community of businesses and professionals with extensive experience throughout the region. At Solutek B2B, we are committed to understanding your needs and delivering customized solutions aligned with your business objectives. Our goal is to provide excellent service that enhances the efficiency and security of your technological infrastructure. Your ideal partner for server repair and optimization. Don't let a damaged server disrupt your business. With Solutek B2B, you get a comprehensive service that combines expertise, quality, and regional support. Contact us today to find out how we can keep your operations running smoothly and ensure the optimal performance of your technology. Transform your server management with Solutek B2B and keep your business moving. We are here to provide effective and reliable solutions. Let's talk today. Contact us on solutech.com.